Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today's video is going to be a natural updo hairstyle, but anyone can wear this hairstyle, it doesn't have to be natural, but this is what I'm going to be rocking on Valentine's. Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today's video is going to be a natural updo hairstyle, but anyone can wear this hairstyle, it doesn't have to be natural, but this is what I'm going to be rocking on Valentine's Day, so keep watching. As you can see, I've done 2 rolls off camera, just so you can see, and I'm going to show you how to do these 2. Like I said, you just basically get some old extension, roll it up into a little ball as best as possible, and we want to recreate a nice roll to sit on top of the others. So what I generally do, I just literally like to stuff it between my hair, loosen up my fingers a little bit, and position it here. And I'm going to just basically use some of these pins, bobbin pins, to pin it in place. Yep. That looks okay for now. Right, I'm on my final part of my hairstyle, and I am going to do a crisp, something like this, which I'm going to pin in place. Oh god, I just lost a pin. Yeah guys, but if you wanted to set this a little bit straighter, you can do, but you'll have to allow it to set. But you all know this is a it's natural hair, it's never going to lie straight. But for these flyaways, what you can do is get some hairspray on a comb and just go over it lightly. It should tame some of these loose ones. So guys, this is the final look. I'm going to give you a 360 degree